In this session, we're going to be looking at how to add posts to your WordPress website and then how to add the post section to your menu. For starters, we're going to log into our website by doing the website domain name /wp-admin. Then you're going to need to fill out your username and password. Once you've done this, you'll be presented with this interface here. We're going to now click on Posts and click on Add New because we're going to add a post. For now, I'm just going to call this post Post 1. And then, once we've added our post title and content, we can click on Publish. Once you've clicked on Publish, you need to make sure you click on it again until you see this interface here. Now we are going to add our post page to our menu. To do this, we are going to have to set up a few different things. We are now going to go to Pages and add a new page. We're going to call this page Articles, but you can call it Articles or Blog or Post or whatever suits you. Now we're going to hit Publish and Publish again. Once you see this, you know your page is live. Now we are going to go down to our settings and go to Reading. We're going to select a static page and make your home page Home and your post page Articles or whatever you called it. We're now going to click Save Changes. Now to add your post page or your articles page to your menu, we're going to go to Appearance and then Menus. Now we are going to select whichever menu you want to edit. I'm going to add it to my main menu, and then I'm going to click Select. I'm now going to click Articles and press Add to Menu. Once you have done this, you need to click Save Menu. You can press either Save Menu, they'll both do the same thing. Now we're going to go back to our website and refresh it. Now we have our home page and our articles page in the same menu.